girlfriend dropped her keys in there.
Did it smash?
Yeah.
I got mine loads of big smash, and it's only when I was on his scooter.
Bye. Come on guys, let's see if we can advance around and take hold of that trailer back. Push up and clear it. Yeah, trailer back is the big green thing on the right hand side. Careful, because if it's occupied they'll be shooting you out the windows as you approach. Keep a night tight on the right hand side, you should be able to push up underneath it.
Oh, the gun's out.
Do you know some sort of knife? See the BB actually comes out, so when he dropped it,
What's the respawn still?
So if you get hit, just respawn at the back of the queue.
Get up that screwdriver thing on his flag.
Not on me, mate, no. Unfortunately not. Okay, so we can push up and take that trailer back, guys. We need to bear around through the bottleneck.